Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be trying out some new Vanity makeup products. If you guys have not heard of the brand Vanity, they're an Australian brand and their products are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which I think is amazing, so I'm super keen to be trying them out. The first product that I'm going to be trying out is their nude eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can see the colors inside. So these are all of the shades in the nude eyeshadow palette. I think that the colors are really pretty and they're shades that I would be wearing every day. Before I try out the eyeshadow, I'm just going to prep my eyelids with some Tarte Shape Tape because I'm pretty sure that Vanity makeup doesn't have a concealer yet. I'm just going to be doing a really simple eyeshadow look today. The first color that I'm going to be using is Cashmere, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to pop it all over my crease. Okay, so now that that's done, I think I'm going to dip into Arabia, which is this light brown shade here, and just again, I'm going to pop that all over my crease area. Okay, so I've just popped that color all over my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shimmer. I'm not sure if I want to go in with Aztec, Tiger's Eye, or Shiraz. Or Champagne actually. I really like the look of Aztec, so I'm just going to dip my finger into that and just apply it all over my eyelid. Just gonna dip back into the Arabia shade that I used before, and I'm just gonna go over the crease again to finish up the eye look. First impression on the eyeshadow palette is that the colors are really nice. They are super easy to use, and I especially love the shimmers. I think they're my favorite, and I can definitely see myself using them all the time. Alright guys, now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to move on to the face. So I have the Vanity foundation here, but I also have these highlighter drops, and I'm not sure if I should just do foundation or if I should put highlighter drops all over my face first and then put the foundation on top. I just feel like the highlighter drops would make the foundation look so nice and dewy, and I love dewy makeup looks. Like, it's my favorite. You know what, it's a first impressions. I'm trying everything out, so I might as well try out the highlighter drops before foundation and then for highlighter as well. So you know what, we're gonna do it. So the highlighter drops that I got are in the shade Ivory. I've never put highlighter drops on before foundation before, so I am a little bit nervous, but you know what? We just gotta do it. We just gotta try it out. I'm just going to put drops of it all over my face. Alright, we're gonna go in with it, you guys. I'm nervous. Okay. Just gonna put drops like all over my face. Wipe it everywhere. Dip in a bit more. There's such a pretty color. I'm not sure if you're meant to put more than this or if I've already put too much on my face, because I'm gonna blend it all out. Maybe just like a tiny bit. I'm going to be a disco ball by the end of this, literally. Oh my god, I actually look ridiculous. I think I put way too much on, but you know what? Fine, we're gonna blend it out. It's gonna be okay. I'm just gonna use my stippling brush to blend it all out, so pray for me, you guys, because I put so much highlighter on. It's blending okay, I think. I've never used highlighter drops on my face before, so this is such a weird feeling, but I'm looking really glowy. Alright guys, so I just finished blending out the liquid highlighter drops, and oh my god, look how glowy my face is. That's actually insane. I mean, I did probably put too much on, but I kind of love the glow. I think it's so nice. Moving on to foundation now, I'm going to be using the Vanity Mineral Liquid Foundation. I've never used a mineral foundation before, so I'm really keen to see what this looks like on my skin. By the way, you guys, this is in the shade Mocha. I've just pumped some on the back of my hand. First, I'm going to dot it all over my face, and then I'll blend it out. I might try out a beauty blender and a brush just to see what applies better on both sides of my face. By the way, if you guys are wondering why this shade is so dark, it's because I've got fake tan on at the moment. And I'm obviously not going to get a pale shade if I've got fake tan on, because then I would just look silly. Alright, so on the right side of my face, I'm going to use the brush to blend it out and just see how we go with that. I'm just going to try out the Beauty Blender now for this side of my face to see how it compares. Alright guys, so I just finished applying this side of my face with the Beauty Blender. Just going to show you guys the difference. So Beauty Blender side and brush side. To be honest, I think I like the Beauty Blender side just a little bit more. I did really like the brush side, but I just feel like the Beauty Blender side looks a little bit more flawless. So first impressions in terms of the foundation, I really like it. I think the coverage is really nice. I'd say it's light to medium, but personally I hate full coverage foundations. I also think the shade is really good if you're wanting to match it with your fake tan. I definitely go Mocha. And yeah, it applied really nicely. I also love how the highlighter drops look underneath the foundation, because it just gave it that really nice glowy kind of look. So I'm really glad that I tried that out. I already mentioned this before, but since Vanity does not have a concealer, I'm just going to go in again with the Tarte Shape Tape just to do my under eyes, my chin and my forehead. So just going to skip that part and I'll be right back. I just finished putting on my concealer, so the next product that I'm going to be trying out is the Vanity Mineral Powder Foundation. This is a foundation, so you can just apply this all on its own, but since I already used their other liquid foundation, I'm just going to pop this one on top to just add a little bit more coverage and see how it works. By the way, this is in the shade Almondine, I think. I'll show you guys the shade. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the shade I got. So again, it's going to match fake tan. I'm just going to go in with my big fluffy brush, dip it in, tap off the excess. Wow, so much dipped in, you guys. Just going to tap off the excess and apply that all over. So first impressions of this powder foundation is that it has really good coverage. Like, I'm actually shocked at how good the coverage is of the powder foundation. I never use powder foundations because my skin is really dry, so I steer away from all that stuff, but the coverage is amazing. I would love to see how this would perform as just a foundation, like without using a liquid foundation underneath. But so far I really like it. The color is perfect for fake tan, and yeah, I'm actually amazed by the coverage, you guys. It's so good. The next product that I'm going to be trying out is the Vanity Dream Matte Bronzer. I'm just going to open it up to show you guys the tone. So this is the shade of the bronzer. As you guys can see, it's definitely warm toned, which I really like because I don't use cool tone bronzers. I just think they don't suit my skin tone. So that's how it looks. I'm just going to pop some on now and show you guys how it looks on my face. So I just finished applying the bronzer to my cheekbones and my forehead area. My first impressions are that I really like it. I love that it's warm toned, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the bronzer. I really like it, you guys. The next product that I'm going to go in with again is the highlighter drops. I'm going to be trying them out for highlighter, so let's see how they apply on top of foundation. I'm just going to put a few dots here, some on this side as well, and I might put a tiny bit on my nose, not too much though. Actually, you know what, I'm going to pop some on my forehead area as well, because why not? I just finished applying the liquid highlighter all over my face, and can you guys see how amazing it looks? Oh my god, it is so glowy, you guys. I am obsessed with it. I definitely recommend this product to everyone. I'd say it is my favorite one yet that I've used so far in this video. It is amazing and so nice and glowy. I'm obsessed. So the final makeup product that I'm going to be trying out today is the Vanity Mascara. I'm just going to pop some on and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the Vanity makeup range is that I really liked everything, and I'd say that my favorite products are definitely the liquid highlighter drops and the bronzer. I also love that the entire makeup range is 100% vegan and cruelty free, which I think is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye!